Hi, this is Francis from Easel. Today we're going to do a quick video on how to rotate objects in Easel. Essentially, it's a pretty quick video. We're just going to kind of walk through it really quick. To start, you'll select the object you want to rotate, and then you have two options for rotating it. You can click on this gray box that's above the bounding box. If you click and hold it, you can rotate the object using your mouse and just kind of spinning. This is really great if you're designing something visually and want to kind of visually rotate the object. Or if you want to be a little more precise, you can, when the object is selected, you'll see the shape and cut menu. In the shape menu, you'll see angle, and you can input a specific angle you're looking for, and it will rotate the object to that angle. You can also select this rotate thing here, and it'll rotate it 90 degrees all the way around. And that's how you rotate objects in Easel. Have a wonderful day.
To learn more, head over to easel.com.